What's up, guys? It's me, Nature Kid, and today, I'm sorry, but bear with me. We are gonna have to make it all in one video. We will get right to it, and here we go. If you didn't know what today was, you didn't read the title, it is Fidget Spinner Day. Good morning, Nate. Now this one, doesn't spin as long. If you don't know why I dropped it in a bucket of ice, we're gonna unscrew it and see what it looks like. That, I don't know if you can see or not, but it is rusted now. I did not mean to at all. I was actually playing at a football game. We had a cooler and I dropped it, so my bad. Also, I wanted to show you this new epic fidget spinner, and this is the one I've been waiting to show y'all all the time, and here we are. This one, as you look at it, has V-sharp edges for cutting into air. Spins about to 4 minutes, actually, really good. And nice orange. I also have two more that are green and white. I will show y'all in the next video. Actually, really smooth, easy to handle, and big bearing, unlike this one. So, but then we have the normal fidget spinner. Here it is, silver. And one more thing, make sure to sub to this channel. I love it when you sub, so please sub to this channel. Post notifications, that little bell, it should be at the top in this corner. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, like it.